Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a closer look at MoneyLion's personal loan offerings, found at moneylion.com/personal-loans. Let's explore what they bring to the table. MoneyLion aims to be a comprehensive financial platform, and personal loans are a significant piece of that puzzle. Their website emphasizes accessibility and convenience, suggesting a streamlined application process. While the specific details of interest rates and loan terms aren't readily apparent on the main page, it's likely you'll find more information after initiating an application. This approach, while common, can be a bit frustrating for those who prefer transparency upfront. It appears MoneyLion focuses on helping individuals manage their finances holistically, with personal loans serving as one tool among several. They likely offer various loan amounts and repayment schedules, catering to different financial needs and circumstances. Further investigation into their platform would be needed to fully grasp the range of options available. It's important to always compare loan offers from multiple lenders before committing to one. Factors such as origination fees, and repayment terms can significantly impact the overall cost of the loan. Don't hesitate to shop around and find the best deal that fits your budget and financial goals. MoneyLion might be a viable option for some borrowers, especially those already integrated into their ecosystem of financial products. However, due to the limited information readily available, potential borrowers should be prepared to delve deeper into the specifics before making a decision. Remember, responsible borrowing involves careful consideration and comparison. So, do your homework and choose wisely. Exploring all available options is crucial for securing the most favorable terms and managing your finances effectively. Remember to check out moneylion.com/personal-loans for yourself to see if their offerings align with your needs. While their streamlined approach may appeal to some, the lack of upfront details might deter others. Consider your own preferences and do your research before making any financial commitments. Again, be sure to like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more insightful financial reviews.